Creating a budget is an essential step towards financial management and stability. Start by gathering information about your income, including your salary and any additional sources. Next, list all your monthly expenses, categorizing them into fixed costs, like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, analyze your spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate a specific amount for savings. It can be helpful to set savings goals, whether for emergencies, vacations, or future investments. Choose a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle. Some prefer a simple envelope system for cash management, while others may opt for digital tools or apps that track spending automatically. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget is crucial, as financial situations can change over time. Lastly, ensure you stick to your budget by monitoring your spending throughout the month. This practice can help you stay accountable and avoid unnecessary expenses. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to maintain motivation. By following these steps, you can create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and empowers you to take control of your money.